Imagine being so hungry that you start craving pig food. Now imagine, you used to have everything, a home, a father, a future, but one decision changed it all. This is the story of the prodigal son, a story about loss, regret, and a kind of love most people don't understand. And by the end of this video, you might see yourself in it. Jesus once told a story about a man who had two sons. The younger son, restless and impatient, went to his father and said, "Father, give me my share of the inheritance." Though it was perfectly within his rights to ask, it was not a loving thing to do, as it implied that he wished his father dead. But surprisingly, the father agreed. He divided his wealth and gave the younger son his portion. Not long after that, the young man packed everything he had and left home. He went far away, far from his father, far from everything he knew. And there, he spent everything. At first, life probably felt exciting. Freedom, no rules, no limits. But freedom without direction can quickly become destruction. The Bible says he wasted everything on reckless living. And when his money ran out, something worse happened. A famine hit the land. Food became scarce. Opportunities disappeared. And suddenly, he had nothing. No money, no friends, no place to go. Desperate, he took a job feeding pigs. And he became so hungry that even the food meant for the pigs looked good to him. This was rock bottom. But then, something changed. The Bible says he came to himself. In other words, he woke up. He realized where he was and how far he had fallen. He remembered his father's house, where even the servants had more than enough food, and he made a decision. I will go back to my father and say, "Father, I have sinned. I am not worthy to be called your son. Just make me like one of your servants." So he got up and began the journey home. Now imagine this moment. He's walking back, rehearsing his apology, wondering if he'll be rejected. But while he was still far away, his father saw him. That means the father had been watching, waiting, hoping. And when he recognized his son, he didn't wait. He ran. He ran to his son, embraced him, and kissed him. The son began his apology. "Father, I have sinned. I am not worthy." But before he could finish, the father interrupted him. "Quick, bring the best robe and put it on him. Put a ring on his finger and sandals on his feet. Kill the fattened calf. Let's celebrate." Why? Because this son of mine was dead and is alive again. He was lost, and now he is found. But not everyone was happy. The older brother, who had stayed, worked hard, and obeyed, heard the celebration, and he became angry. He refused to go inside. When his father came out to him, he said, "All these years I've served you, and you never gave me a celebration. But this son of yours, who wasted everything, you celebrate him?" It didn't seem fair, but the father answered gently, "My son, you are always with me. Everything I have is yours, but we had to celebrate because your brother was lost, and now he is found." This story isn't just about a rebellious son, it's about all of us. Sometimes we walk away, we chase things that leave us empty. And sometimes we stand on the outside, judging others, missing the heart of love. But at the center of this story is a father who gives, who waits, who runs, who forgives, who restores. No matter how far you've gone, you can always come home. And when you do, you won't be met with rejection. You'll be met with love.